Tired of stubborn bugs and road grime on your vehicle? Today we're checking out 3D Bug Remover, a fast spray cleaner for cars, trucks, RVs, motorcycles, and boats. It helps loosen bugs, tree sap, and tough buildup from paint, glass, chrome, plastic, and more. Just spray, let it work, then rinse or wipe clean. Let's see why it's a handy product for easier car washing. Let's dive into the video. Starting at number 5, we have the 3D Bug Remover Gallon. The gallon size of 3D Bug Remover is a smart option for anyone who cleans vehicles often or manages larger exterior surfaces. It offers the same all-purpose cleaning power as the smaller version, but provides more product for repeated use on cars, RVs, boats, semi-trucks, motorcycles, and even home or office surfaces. The cleaner is designed to loosen bugs, insects, tree sap, and other buildup from plastic, rubber, metal, chrome, aluminum, windows, and mirrors. I like that it is suitable for car paint, wax, and clear coats because bug residue can be difficult to remove without worrying about the finish. The spray and rinse application is straightforward, and the formula helps reduce heavy scrubbing. For frequent highway drivers, detailers, or families with multiple vehicles, the gallon container feels more economical and convenient. It is especially helpful before a full wash since it breaks down stuck-on grime first. Used correctly, this product makes exterior cleaning faster, cleaner, and much easier to maintain all season long. It is a useful bulk choice for repeat detailing and bigger cleaning routines at home or work well. Moving on at number 4, we have the Goof Off Pro Strength Remover. Goof Off Pro Strength Remover is a compact but powerful option for people who need to remove tough adhesive and repair messes quickly. It is made to tackle dried latex paint, adhesive, glue, asphalt, tar, stickers, decals, caulk, crayon, tree sap, and road grime, so it is useful for both household and automotive cleanup. The 8-ounce size is easy to keep in a toolbox, garage cabinet, work truck, or DIY kit. I like that it is marketed for professional tradesmen as well as everyday users because it feels suited for challenging jobs where ordinary cleaners may not work. It can be used on baseboards, metals, glass, brick, wood, concrete, grout, fiberglass, hand tools, and most automotive surfaces, though reading the label and safety precautions is essential. Because this is a strong remover, careful use and testing are important. Overall, Goof Off Pro Strength Remover is best for stubborn spots that need a fast, aggressive solution rather than light routine cleaning around projects. It earns its place when normal soap simply cannot finish the job on difficult stains and residue well. At number 3, we have the Chemical Guys Bug and Tar Remover. Chemical Guys Bug and Tar Remover is a strong pre-wash cleaner for removing road grime, insect splatter, tar, tree sap, and bird droppings from vehicle exteriors. What makes it useful is how quickly it softens baked-on debris, reducing the need for aggressive rubbing that can cause swirls or scratches. It is safe for paint, glass, chrome, plastic, grills, headlights, bumpers, trim, and other exterior surfaces, which makes it flexible for regular car care. I especially like that it can be used in a wash bucket or a foam cannon, giving good coverage for larger vehicles such as trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and off-road vehicles. It rinses away without leaving streaks or residue, which helps the final wash look cleaner. This product is especially handy for warm weather driving, highway commuting, and long road trips when bugs build up quickly. Used before a full contact wash, it helps loosen bonded dirt and makes the overall cleaning process safer, faster, and more effective for careful owners. It is a smart detailing step for anyone who wants cleaner results with less risk every single time. At number 2, we have the Abracadabra Wonder Cleaner Spray. Abracadabra Wonder Cleaner Spray is a versatile remover that stands out because it handles many difficult messes in one bottle. It is designed to dissolve tar, sticker adhesive, gum, sap, grease, asphalt, label glue, tape residue, motor oil, candle wax, makeup, and even uncured expanding foam. The citrus solvent formula is a nice advantage because it offers a fresher scent and avoids the harsh acetone smell many removers have. I also appreciate that it can be used on more than 12 surfaces, including tile, concrete, pavers, fiberglass, metal, carpet, wood, ceramic, stucco, plastics, tools, equipment, and vehicle exteriors. The directions are simple. Spray from 6 to 8 inches away, wait 1 to 3 minutes, then wipe. It also rinses clean with water when used properly. For painted, stained, delicate, or automotive clear coat surfaces, a spot test is important. Overall, this is a strong choice for garages, vehicles, and home projects where sticky residue and grime are common problems after repairs, labels, spills, or outdoor messes. It feels practical for both quick cleanup jobs and heavier weekend maintenance tasks too, indoors-outdoors. And finally, at number 1, we have the 3D Bug Remover. The 3D Bug Remover is a practical cleaner for anyone who drives often and deals with stubborn insect marks on the front end of a vehicle. I like that it is made for multiple exterior surfaces, including plastic, rubber, metal, chrome, aluminum, windows, and mirrors, so I do not need a separate product for every area. The formula loosens bug residue, insects, and tree sap quickly, which makes wiping and rinsing much easier. It is especially useful after highway driving, summer trips, or cleaning an RV, boat, semi-truck, or motorcycle. Another strong point is that it is suitable for paint, wax, and clear coats, which gives extra confidence when using it before a full wash. The spray and rinse process saves time because heavy scrubbing is usually not needed. I would still follow the directions and avoid letting it dry on the surface, but overall this cleaner feels effective, versatile, and convenient. It is a helpful pre-wash product that makes exterior cleaning faster and less frustrating for regular drivers who want a safer shine without spending extra time, extra money, or effort.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.